My name is Tapani Aaltio. I come from Society Finland, and I want to share with you an idea about the evolution of testers. I've been in IT for a long time as project manager and team lead, but I've only been with testing for about 5 or 6 years. And I've seen that we have good testers and testing is fun and I like it. Before I joined testing, as I said, I was a project manager and a team lead. And in those roles, I saw what bad testing can do for you and how easy it is to improve the quality with the basic testing practices. So, but I think testers could improve. They could. I think I talk about this idea of evolution to tester 2.0 instead of tester 1.0. And the idea is that we are good at finding defects and finding errors in the programs today and reporting those and verifying and that stuff. But there's 2 steps to take to tester 2.0. The first one is to a better understanding of the client and the users of the systems and their needs, and to mitigate the risks that they have when using the system. That's partly done today by the risk-based testing idea, for example. But the ultimate step to tester 2.0 would be to understand the whole lifecycle process of the software development. Meaning that instead of being at the end of the chain, just measuring the quality, the testers could be helping out in all the phases of the lifecycle. And that way, the whole team could build the quality in together from the start. I don't think this is a question of tools. The tools are all there. It's just trying to create a better understanding of the needs and to cooperate with other people on the team, developers, architects, conceptors, product managers, whoever can give that information. And also, of course, with business people. That's the main point. The tools are all there. I think on the level of individual testers, it's a cooperation challenge with the other testers and other groups in the team, like developers and people, to be able to talk to them in their language and also to be able to talk to the business people in their language. The testers are kind of between these 2 groups. But also for the management, I think nowadays many times we have like a testing team and a development team, and then in different places. So the managers should form teams where we have both testers and developers, and they work together to build the quality. If that doesn't happen, then we can forget about tester 2.0. We continue with this tester 1.0, who's at the end of the chain waiting for the system and then measures the quality. I worked with an agile team for a couple of years now, and we have a bunch of, or a pool of 20 people in the team, and then we always form 3 agile teams for each sprint. And we are sitting, both developers and testers, in one big open office, which is good. But it's not sufficient. We should be sitting, the 3 teams that we form of 6 to 8 people, they should be sitting at the same table, developers and testers. So they could communicate face to face on what they're doing. Now we still have like a mini waterfall inside the team, because we have developers some place and the testers in another place, so they can't communicate freely face to face every day. They have to walk to each other to communicate, which is surprising, but it's too far. Also in our team we have some end-to-end testing in India, and it has been almost impossible to communicate the requirements to that team. So their testing has been very inefficient in that sense. So I say co-locate and form teams of developers and testers at the same table. That'll bring you to tester 2.0.